First, the headlines. Images of Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons found. $349 relief camps with 50,648 inmates in the state at present, says Dr. S. Ranjan. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 8 p.m. today. A very good evening. You're watching ELITETV English News and this is your host Heeyai. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government where face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. And now let's see the news in details. Images of Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons are found. Footage is found from the drone camera which is left by the Kuki militants somewhere in Bishnupur district. It clearly shows that they are not using single and double barrel. Here is the exclusive report.
Handaki kanupani ki irang asida kulai paiba mapalamdagi lai lakti haibagi tayet naba leiba du ELITETV na phangwa pauda handaki irang asida Kuki militants sing yawi haibagi chap saba proof fangle ELITETV na phangwa video footage da hairiba Kuki militants sing asina sniper M16 amadi SLR nongmai sing pairaga maitei kul taba jaga sing da attack tobagi video footage drone footage ubo fange Hairiba footage asida Seru dagi hauruga tuan ba Tangjeng aduga aroiba khul phawda makoina drone camera sinaraga attack tubagi adumba footage sing aduni hoje khoi ucheriba footage sing si view sina sniper ni aduga sina LMG ni aduga sina khoi SLR ni adu hairiba volunteers sing asina khoi karai da kari lerige haibasi makhoi gi oiba drone footage drone camera sinraga nambagi photograph aduni leribasi aduna village defense force ni haina tuan ba pafam thamakpa akhona Kuki militants sing ni haibada media na haiba matamda waru mayamadu hairiba footage sing asina mek senga takle madudi hairiba lan asida khoi double barrel nate single barrel nate pairabasi sniper ni mamang dasu khoi tuan fum sing da khoi pipe na saba bomb sing phagat pagi wafum su leikrabani Media na phonga pauda kuki militants in haina warobu leibadu hauzik oriba video footage aduga photographs asina me singa takle haibadi hairiba asida akhoi mapalom dagi mi yawi haibagi chingnaba leiba loinena makhoi sineba flag asi karamba flag no haibasu chapchaba khangma ngamdi adubu makhoi gi position leiba ki film duni hauzik uriba si maramaduna media da lana thamu wafam village defense force ni single barrel double barrel masagi defense tongna ba paise bani haiwa fam adu Allah alabra haibasi atu wahang am oidi
IPR and Health Minister Dr. S. Ranjan Singh has informed that there are a total of 349 relief camps with 50,648 displaced persons in the state due to the ongoing crisis in Manipur. Minister was speaking to media during a press conference held at the auditorium of DIPR at Nitaipat Chuthek, Imphal West, yesterday. He said that district and cluster nodal officers have been identified to take care and look after the relief centers opening at different districts. Relief centers have also been opened specially for pregnant ladies. Special cares have also been taken up for lactating mothers, aged persons and children, he informed. Ranjan stated that goods and essential commodities are being brought through National Highway 37. 2,376 trucks loaded with 35,000 metric tons comprising of construction materials, fuels, essential commodities, etc. have been brought into the state, he added. He further informed that the government is trying to make Kongsang railway station activated within the next 10 days for convenient transportation of essential items. Further, helicopter services from Mori Imphal, Imphal Churachandpur, and Imphal Kangpokpi have already been started, he added. Ranjan also said that so far a total of 990 arms and 13,526 ammunitions have been surrendered to the government. On top of this, combing operations have been launched in all districts, particularly in vulnerable areas. During the search operation conducted by the combined team of Central and State Armed Forces, 53 arms, 74 ammunitions and 39 bombs have been successfully recovered, said the minister. The IPR minister stated that the roadmap of education for the crisis period has been chalked out by the government, the details of which will be briefed by the education minister concerned very shortly. Regarding the banking sector, out of the 242 branches, 198 bank branches are made operational as of now, and the rest will be made functional at the earliest, added the minister. Ranjan said that a price control mechanism is put into force to check the price rise in essential commodities, said the minister. He also updated about the current fuel and LPG stock and appealed to the public not to panic. The minister appealed to all to play their active roles to restore the normalcy in the state of Manipur again. Curfew has been relaxed from 5 am to 8 p.m. in Imphal East, West and Bishnupur district today, said separate orders of district magistrates. Markets and shops are open. People were seen rushing to the markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. Former Minister A.K. Mirabai, ex-MLA O. Landhoni and wife MLA K. Ranjit K. Madhumati today inspected the various relief camps at Sugnu, Naput and Sero. They handed over some edible and essential items to the people at the camps. Talking to media person, even though the Kuki militants torched the houses of Meitei communities and killed many innocent people. At this juncture, not a single word has been mentioned by the Prime Minister. It is very unfortunate. That's that. Moreover, they are sure to do the needful for them at any cost.
Ngasigi mioi lising kayagi mamit na gitari ba mamit ki piese atuwa matamda pirang ase tingbidu na loina na makhoi tangdu lekta ba bayum makai sana bagi damagta atuwa matamda kona bidaba taragadi civil war haiba se hojik hori ba mai asidagi saruk kaya thokna haurak laga ngasi aikoi lamdam asigi lekpak asigi jati aikoi je punna tumindarasi haibra haibase masi hangning ba wahang magi aikoi matam koi rakleba aduna matam koi male yengbiu atuba matamda sarkar atuba matamda shanti wari saduna masi loisanbire haraga ngasi gi tangdu lekta draba praja mayamgi mitki piese koi bakata na tahandana ba amachung sena khaina ba kanamana hari aigi sagai mulle isanupa amakhak yawbase ngasidi mahak leitrabani sagai mulle hadra tengtha hauriba mayam uruba matamda thamoida kaptaba ngamde aduna aikoi miyoiba maga miyoiba magi blai nariba nuksibagi mariya china ngasigi kuki la lawasing kudakta hando loinana aikoi shanti haibase amukana nungsi sanana Manipura amukana hana dagi yelhongai dagi lemina rapi nusi sana bado amuk hanjan nakna ba khona minasi haibase ai ga apel ni
jumai sakare yam sakare sum de su de di serong de su na pa na ya ma di sa eko so serong ju yam sa ya do si state post tham bi tra ga di mayam si parjam yam je cham na ga lai banga moi hai re ba adi as imai ben ur de am ngai te ang kape ba when I am a neighbor, and I am a neighbor.
On the other hand, the villagers in the relief camp thanked the initiative taken up by them.
Kazak ya jom jing hanjil laga lai bije khoi ngam godra ngamoi dra khangde hanjil luraga tha mani laira kan moi na mai tai sing tanga pangai ra kan da amu hause hairam ba plan silam bra jo khoi khangde moi marong khangmana tamina mo khoi paw phongna busan tne adum ne na khoi na mai na torong godra hai bo khanji jing nai aduna khoi di am athu matam da Manipur force ayam ba oina pham 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 khuding thambira khoi sunu gi area haidi border hai gadra amai nga gi makham je am tham pa me ha bi che da khaktang thamani haina soi taw khak ataba thamme hara kan hanju pam sing han da khoi thamji phau de khoi hanju pam de ka de ro kani ha bi tam bangam de ba maram di sunu je peace committee se maga tawro iba pot ni adu khoi mai tai macham khaina ha ma taw de lai ra kan moi di ek to tor ko pot ni na khoi di moi di cheng ha da kulai ma tik chana pa ra ba ni khoi force ma tik chana lai ra kan imin ur kan chang ba pa me suna
no hai ja khon nga ko ngam ni moi gi na la thau ko moi nga ko ngam kan moi na khoi hat ke na taw ko de ma thin law thu da bani adu ai khoi ni ka khapo ko ki ni akhoi hau ni hau wa khoi tai na ko ka chi tai khon mai ma khoi ba ni ko bi ko chi ma khon nga ko pa mi akhoi ni lam mo na han jin han bi yu akhoi ni lam dam ja ko na khoi tam khon lai ta na lai ko pa mi ma si athu ba ma tam da akhoi ni le Manipur police tham bi yu akhoi.
Committee for Peace and Social Harmony today stake hunger strike at Kakching Higher Secondary School. Speaking to media person, a member of the committee, P. Somarendra, said the initiative has been taken up in protest against the Kuki militants torture the innocent people and burning their houses. He drew the attention of both the state and central government to do the needful at the earliest in order to bring peace and normalcy in the state.
The Manipuri integrity kaiba sungya yaroi Manipur Lusing Puril Sing Sinda Sena how the Kai film Lakomatam the day. Humly by Koi Mayamase, Idesa Mayamasina, Sai the Seliba E Marik Amam Selibakai, Manipuri, Namkai Damta Manipur, Imakanik with the land and the down and about Sims Haduna lady Habase, Akoi Langaki. Haburils in the Kumbi Gadamani Manipulenga, Comedy Para Langana, Akanba security forces Mayama Matats Hazilaganda, Hauji. Mia Misamda, Awa Piriba Manipur, Varege the Sabsana, narco terrorism, Kudung Sabasi, Lauriba, Asigumbala, Hobasanga se Masi, Kudak the Laxinabagi, Haurang se, Masatona, Miam Kanga, पाइखटगदबनी security measure paire haraga mission prajada hojik phawba kapa leptriba yumai kai thabal leptriba se masi kudakta lefan gadabani makoida sab chaba parama tambidamakta aikoi gi leibak sigi lusingbini ba kangbuna ahen ma thona pukap iduna masak to pathabak to kudakta packet piu habigi.
Peace and Relief Committee, Sagolban today donated 25,000 rupees to Relief Committee, Jenims, for treatment of those who are injured in the present crisis. The amount was donated by the Relief Committee, Sagolban, under the supervision of MLA R.K. Imo. Secretary of Relief Committee, Jenims, thanks the MLA of Sagolban Assembly Constituency, R.K. Imo, and this Relief Committee team for their human service.
Palising kumanga kung mating pangkiti dabagda honorable MLA R.K. Imo amasung Peace and Relief Committee sa mga si ito'y Relief Committee James kumakay di kay tagat pagdok sa di loina na Manipur ki lusing goya da ngasi phagoda tarik hun den ngasi phagoda koi Relief Committee sida so isi I sohong taruk sure sigi manungda aikoi ki nongmai muruno panmasi mo drama pani aduga lehidabana mini pani aduga kainona mi ahumna koi ki Fuba Saga Tokira Kodi, Aduga, Mi Maria Amana, Rayo Canona, Tiar Gas Hell Parmani, Adus Mindoduna, I go in Masida, Angan Anima Supo, the lady, Mindoduna Sipota, Koi Songa, Taru Akoi, Lion Jagre, Paramadura, Michel Saurupa, Arki Muna, Amadi, Maki Makada Leva, Peace and Relief Committee, someone Esina, Relief Committee, the War Matamida, Sagma Pandus Mina, Manipur, Puchin Saurupa, MLA, Amadi, Pasa Piper Sina, Relief Committee, the Matic Pambinova, Relief Committee.
Railways use Al-Bas Sanchar Sati portal to identify bodies of people who were killed in Odisha train accident last week. The portal helped trace the victims' phone numbers and other details using their photographs. Officials said that they also traced calls made through nearby tower just before the accident to link them to phones, which were later immediately shut down. Indian American Srinivas Rao Alaparthi has sued a resort and boat captain for wrongful death after his wife died while parasailing in US. His wife was parasailing with her son and nephew when the weather turned bad. The boat's captain then cut the tow line holding the parasail, after which the trio were dragged across water and hit a bridge, the law should said. And now let's take a short commercial break. To stay tuned.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba taujari Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, luinana, hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi, clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Diabetes ka luinana hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Ako pamorol gidamak nga si maglengsin biro Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open, admission open. Manipur ki mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated toba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognize tawraba college asida chatliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hojare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopa morog dama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbiraktuna ngasimak kudong saba silowiu.
SS Career Solution na chahitara hena hunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam mama khangjana bagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semduna angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chana ba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oirakna ba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thi bahibasi arriba dinate adubu ipurgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna satra khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhuigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwalambe lamada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba kudong chaba singasi kopna khanta haurasi
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Welcome back and let's see the further details. An empty coach of the Manipur-Howrah local train derailed at the Kharagpur station in West Bengal, Pasim Manipur district on Saturday night, a Southeastern Railway official said. The accident happened around 9 p.m. when the train was heading towards Howrah. The accident happened around 140 kilometers from Odisha, Bahanaga Bazar station, where a triple trail crash occurred on June 2. Iran police sought and killed a 9-year-old boy after his father stole a car and drove off with him. Iranian authorities said. Police said they issued the man several warnings before they started shooting, while the man said they did not issue any warnings. According to the police, the man had a criminal record including car theft and drug smuggling. Kairan Kwaji, a 14-year-old student, is set to join Elon Musk-led SpaceX as the company's youngest software engineer. Kwaji will join SpaceX after graduating from the Santa Clara University School of Engineering this month. In a LinkedIn post, Karian said SpaceX is a rare company that didn't use this as an arbitrary and outdated proxy for maturity and ability. Clinical psychologist Jordan Patterson, in response to YouTube removing his post, said, "I have now officially been accused of hate speech by YouTube. Let's be clear that it is direct accusation conduct deemed criminal in many jurisdictions." Reacting to his tweet, Elon Musk said, "Upload here. This platform believes in free speech, provided it does not break the law." The Air Intelligence Unit ARU of Customs Department at Kerala's Kochi Airport seized 2,207.24 grams of foreign origin gold jewelry worth rupees 1.21 crore, an official statement said. The Customs Department said the Customs Department said the gold was recovered from the 4 passengers who had arrived from Malaysia on Friday. The gold was seized under the relevant sections of the Customs Act 1962, an official said. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitevin or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Images of Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons found. $349 relief camps with 50,648 inmates in the state at present, says Dr. S. Ranjan. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and West of Wu till 8 p.m. today. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching ELITETV English News. Till then, take care, stay safe and good night.